Yes, I'm Guy, and this is the Guy Our Cook Report, and I'm talking today a little bit self-serving. I got a Fitbit Versa for Christmas 2 Christmases ago, and the other day it wouldn't turn on. I couldn't figure it out, so I called the Fitbit support at 5:35 in the morning my time, and I got a support engineer right then. Bang. No hold music, no we appreciate your call. We're going to get to you as soon as we can. None of that stuff happened. It was just right then. She said, hold down the left button and the bottom right button for 10 seconds. I did that. The logo for Fitbit appeared. And after a few more seconds, the time displayed. And guess what? The Fitbit was fixed. I was happy camper and so enthusiastic. I made a podcast about it. And this episode, I thank you for taking time out of your day. If you're not wearing a Fitbit watch to keep track of your steps, might be time to think about that, huh? Call it divine intervention. Or I couldn't think of anything else to talk about, so this episode was about the Fitbit. Hi, just real quick, there's 3 ways to get a hold of Guy Our Cook. You can go to the guyourcookreport.podbean.com, just like it shows in that text there. Or you can look me up on about.me like Guy Our Cook and contact me through that URL. Or you can call the new cell phone number 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking to you. Hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you later. It's a wrap.